Who else is ready for fall and all the cozy vibes, cute nails, the pumpkin spice, and everything nice that comes along with it? Because I know I am. This is seriously my comfort time of year, you guys, and I love everything about it. So I took this picture and used the colors from it to create this nail set. And if you want to see how, stick around. Hey besties, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into today's video. I want to give a big thank you to Rosalind for sending today's items over to me as PR, and we will be using the gels from this kit for today's nail look. This is an 8-piece kit. It does come with 5 milliliter bottles in it and is currently on Amazon for $11.99, but is actually on sale for $9.99 right now. I will also have a 10% discount code linked in the description for you guys, so be sure to check that out. So starting off, when you open up the box, we have our basic pamphlet that goes over the usage, how to remove, DIY nail art, and then frequently asked questions and answers. And can I just say their packaging is always so simple yet so cute? Love. I love that they have these gels in here, nice and secure as well. If you haven't tried Rosalind gel products yet, I would highly recommend. They are great products at a great price point. Look at how cute their gel bottles are too. I love that little peekaboo window. And the color swatch on top of the bottle matches the colors like perfectly, which is always awesome. Again, these are 5 milliliter bottles, so a little on the smaller side, but a great way to test out some different gels. So starting off, the first gel we are going to swatch is C113. I love all these nude colors. When they sent me a message, I was so excited because I figured this set was the perfect way to segue into that like fall vibes and those like end of summer coming into autumn nail sets, and I am here for it, y'all. I am so ready. I love this time of year. I just love all the cozy vibes and getting to cuddle up with your family and stay inside and drink hot cocoa and apple cider, and I just love it. I'm here for it. And look at how creamy these are. Again, if you have not tried their gels, I highly recommend. So the next color we are going to swatch is C114. And again, these are all going to be more on like the nude, pinkish. There is some kind of like greenish undertone ones. I really enjoyed this gel set. I am going to let the swatching part play out, and I will pop back in as needed. The next color we're going to swatch is C116. Our next swatch will be C117. And again, I do just want to mention, as always, because I am swatching on the underside of the swatch stick, it does give us that area where it looks a little bit splotchy or like it's not giving good coverage. This has nothing to do with the gels and everything to do with the fact that I'm swatching on the underside. So again, I just want to mention that. Our next color up is C118, and I love this color. It is a very good peachy nude, and it's actually one of the colors we use in today's nail set. I was laying it down a little thick on this one, sheesh! But look at how beautifully these self-level. They are so creamy, you guys. Our next color up is C323 and is also another color that we will use in today's nail set. I really like this one. It is a very good like tan, not necessarily nude, and it kind of has like a green, like an olive green undertone in it, but I really enjoyed this color. Perfect for fall and autumn time. And I do add 2 coats to each one of the swatches, but only do one on camera. Our next color up is C329, and I absolutely love this color. I love that it's a more mellow pink. Like I said, this set was seriously the perfect set to segue from summertime into that like autumn, fall time vibes. Absolutely loved it. Look at how creamy that is. My goodness. And the last color of this set is C331 and is also a color we will be using in today's nail set, and it just so happens to be one of my favorite colors in this set as well. Here are all the colors from today's set and double coated, so I will rapid fire through these and then we will get into today's nail set. So these are the colors we will be using for today's nail look, and I'm going to use C118 as our base color. Then we will be using C323, C329, and C331 to do our nail art. I will be applying 2 coats of our base color to every nail and curing for 30 seconds in between. Such a beautiful peachy nude. So once you are done applying the 2 coats of your base color, we are going to go in with a coat of top coat, giving that a 30-second cure when we are done. Then I'm going to take those 3 colors I mentioned earlier and add a little to a nail palette off to the side to start doing our nail art. And I am going to use this little, it's not a dotting tool, it's actually like a mixing tool, but it works great for doing nail art. So using my little handy dandy mixing tool, I'm going to take those 3 colors we put on the palette and create a bunch of random cheetah print all across the nail, giving a full 30-second cure when I am done. So for the pointer, middle, and pinky finger, I'm going to take one of those colors for each nail, creating a Frenchie in the cheetah print. But instead of curing when you're done, we're going to leave that uncured gel and cover it with either a clear acrylic or a clear dipping powder. Give it a couple seconds to fully absorb into that gel, and then pop it in the nail lamp for 60 seconds to fully cure through that powder. Once you're done curing, go ahead and dust off your nail to reveal your design. I hope you guys are enjoying today's video. If you are, be sure to leave the video a like, as it really helps me out. And if you are feeling generous, leave a comment down below. Also, if you are not subscribed yet, please consider. I would love to have you join our Nail Bestie family, and we are getting closer and closer every day to that 500 subscriber mark. And it will be giveaway time, you guys. And I am super excited to do this first giveaway with you guys. I got some great things picked out, and just found out today that Madam Glam is helping sponsor my first giveaway. So I am super excited about that. So again, be sure that you are subscribed, because that will be one of the giveaway requirements. I also wanted to ask what you guys thought, instead of always doing like a tutorial type video, how you guys would feel about a story time and just kind of watch me work type video. Now that we're getting into the fall season, I would love to do some spooky story times with you guys. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about that. I'm also going to be starting a series where other nail content creators pick my nail design. And my girl Nailed by Brandy, who I'm sure most of you have heard of, is actually the first person to pick a nail design for me. So be sure that you have post notifications on and you are subscribed so you don't miss that video. And for this nail set, the ring finger is the only one that I did not apply a dip or acrylic powder to. I just left it glossy, which I think was the perfect touch. I did go ahead and apply some rhinestones off camera, and I love the way this nail set came out. As I said before, I think this was the perfect way to segue into the autumn kind of fall nails from the summertime nails, but also keeping the end of summer vibe with it. I just absolutely love these, and I hope that you guys do as well. And again, a huge thank you to Rosalind for sending this over. My discount code will be linked in the description down below, along with my link tree and all my other discount codes. Again, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I love and appreciate you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!